Hello everyone. Welcome to this talk. My first in the series called Conscious Transformation. I'm Nisha Sanjeev, a transformation strategist specializing in practical spirituality. I bring my real world experience of being a journalist for over 20 years, coupled with my spiritual learnings from my masters. My core teachings are based on my own transformational journey. So today I want to speak about the fear. Why is there a lot of fear and anxiousness among people in the current times because of COVID 19 and its aftermath? No conversation ends without a sigh or a gasp, right? Be it sending back children to school, or the economy sliding, or the government's not being supportive, or racism, or job losses. Even a casual conversation with your friend involves all these things. There is a sigh, there's a statement of helplessness and resignation. So why are we in fear? Basically, why are we all anxious? Why are all we in fear? Fear arises when your mind cannot process what is happening to you. For example, if you're driving a car and a motorist takes over from the wrong side, catching you unawares, missing by a hairline that horrific accident, what happens? Your heart races, you slam the brakes, you go blank, that you've just had a narrow escape. But then soon you calm down because your mind takes control and it now knows what to do. You change the lanes or you pull over, whatever. But your mind knows what to do and therefore you calm down. Just the other day, I was in the elevator and it shook violently and it stopped. I was so shit scared. I started banging the door and my heart started pounding. I started breathing hard. A few moments later, senses prevailed. I pressed the emergency button. I had my mobile in my hand, so I made some calls. I first called the security, then my family. So I calmed down till help arrived. So my mind took control and my fear subsided. So in this situation, since the last few months, 6 to 7 months, we are all in this grip of this adrenaline rush, the flight or the fear syndrome up, right? In that mode we are. Why? Because our mind does not know what to do. This is an unprecedented incident, right? We don't know what to do. There is no fine print available. There is no user's manual available. There are no answers on Google. Our school teachers, our university teachers do not know what to advise us. Our parents don't know. Right? So what happens is there is no knowledge available for the mind to consume and process and calm us down. Therefore, we are in this constant state of fear and anxiety with the slightest of trigger, the slightest of news. Even if it is unrelated to COVID, we try to bring it around into this, and then we start sighing and huffing and puffing. So the problem here is, or the fact here is, there is no knowledge available for us, for our minds to use. What is available? But there is something called wisdom available. But most of us are not tuned in to tap this wisdom. And why? Why aren't we tuned into tapping our wisdom? Because that is how we've been conditioned. That is how we've lived our life thus far. because we've lived a self-aligned life. This is what I call a self-aligned life. We use the information that we get from outside. We use the information that is fed to us. We use our five senses to read, to see, to learn. But our ability is confined to the 180 degrees vision. From left to right we can see. That is a horizontal existence, what I call. And that when you have such limited vision, there is only that limited understanding that we have. We can see the front, we can see the left, we can see the side. Maybe we can peep into a strain ourselves and peep backwards. But if we need to see what's happening behind, we need to turn, and then this side is not available to us, the opposite side. So it's only the 180 degree vision that we have of our life. We need to learn how to be soul aligned. That is what is the transcendent dimension, the vertical dimension. And when we are soul aligned, when we are aligned in the vertical dimension, we get a 360 degree view of our life, as opposed to the 180 degrees that we are used to being in self-aligned mode. So when we are soul aligned and we get this 360 degree view, that view informs us of a different realm of things that we have not heard and seen, touched and felt before. We see things in its wholesomeness, in its completedness. And when we are aligned, soul aligned and self-aligned, that is when we open up for the intuition to flow. Intuition doesn't flow on the horizontal level. Intuition flows in the vertical realm. It comes down to you vertically. And then you use that, your mind uses that intuition, process that intuition, what you received vertically down, for your practical horizontal existence. I hope I'm making sense. So what is it that we need to do? We need to surrender, dear friends. Surrender. Learn to surrender. Listen to your higher self. Learn to use the wisdom that comes down. Only wisdom can guide you, reassure you, and empower you. Then you use that wisdom to feed your mind, and your mind will process that wisdom to calm you down. That wisdom will become your fine print. That wisdom will become your user's manual. That wisdom will become your own Google, your own GPS in this world. Until you start doing that, you will be engulfed in fear with the slightest of trigger or the smallest of news that you hear. I hope this has landed on you. See you all in the next episode. If you resonate with me, kindly comment below, like the video and share it. And please do not forget to subscribe to this channel so that we can spread tidbits of wisdom, consciousness, love and light that is more needed in this world now. So let's do our bit. If you resonate, please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.